Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Redfall, crashing and stuttering. It's easy. If you want to fix this problem, all you have to do first click here and then go to Windows Update Settings. Now you will need to make sure to install all the updates that you can find for your Windows, and then just restart your computer. And after starting your computer, click Update and Restart. And after starting your computer, just go to background apps. Now you need to free up your memory, so just turn off this option and then go to task manager. Now just keep scrolling down and close all the applications that you don't need, and of course you need to know what they do before closing them. And that's it. Just right click and end task. Now just try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, now it means that you need to try to update your graphics card. Go to GeForce Experience. If you can't find it, just download it from any browser, and then once you're here, go to drivers and then click check for updates. Now install the latest update, and as you see here, there's an update for Redfall. That's it. Now just install it and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.